Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video we will see how you can fix issue JavaScript interop calls cannot be issued at this time. So basically this error what you are seeing on the screen. Now let me tell you how I am getting this error. So I have just one simple alert added here with JS and it is on InvalidOperationException. So the only plan is it should show a pop-up when we go to the screen. Okay, so now we will see how it is working. So you can see it is not giving runtime errors. When I go to counter, it is showing the alert. So you don't get a error first time, but as soon as you reload the screen, you will start seeing the error that we just saw before. So basically to fix the error, what you have to do is your logic of the JS method should be inside OnAfterRenderAsync, and then you can add first render, and then once you add a condition for that, now basically it will be firing same thing but on the first render, and then when you reload the screen it will again come here and show the pop-up. So it doesn't cause that issue which we were getting before because of the on initialized async method. So now we will try to run this and see if it is working now. So now we click on counter, so you see the pop-up, and then we were getting error when we were reloading. So now after reload also it is working. So this is how you can fix the issue. You can try and let us know if you face any kind of problem. Thank you.